Question 20. Solve x squared minus 21x plus 20 is equal to 0. Show you're working clearly. We're going to be using finding the square method where we multiply the coefficient of x and the constant. So here this is 1. 1 times 20 is 20. What are we trying to do? We're trying to find two values that when multiplied equal 20, but when added together equal negative 21. And I can see here that a factor of 20 is 1 and a factor of 20 is 2, but it has to be negative. So I can put here negative and negative. How does this work? So negative 1 times negative 20 is still equal to 20, but negative 1 plus negative 20 is equal to negative 21. So we can simply write here x squared minus 1x minus 20x plus 20 is equal to 0. So here we can actually factorize. So we can write here x is into x minus 1. And here we can write x into x minus 1 negative 20. So that gives us, when we combine this, x negative 20 and x minus 1. But we have to solve it. So we have to equate this to 0. So x minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 20. When x minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 1. So we can write here x is equal to 1, x is equal to 20. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scrap.